how to change your personal WhatsApp number without losing your chat and data. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. If this video helped you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your WhatsApp app, navigate to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. This will drop you to an interface like this. Make sure to tap on chat. With this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see chat backup. Proceed to select on chat backup. On this interface, you have the option to backup all your chats. As you could currently see, my current size for the backup is 123 megabytes. But mind you, this is excluding my videos. If I want to include videos in my backup, I can proceed to toggle this on. After that, you then proceed back to your normal WhatsApp interface. Then on this interface, make sure to tap on account. With this selected, you have a tons of options. When you scroll down a bit, you could see change number. Proceed to tap on it. Then continue to tap on next. In order for you to change your phone number, all you have to do is then proceed to enter the existing phone number you are using and then enter the new phone number with a country code all attached to it. Then proceed to tap on next. That's it. You have successfully changed your WhatsApp number without losing your chat and data. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.